Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, the following are statements required to be changed into questions. So let's get started. Statement number 1. They like coffee. Do they like coffee? Next, the boys know the answer. Do the boys know the answer? The boys work in a store. Do the boys work in a store? You know many new words. Do you know many new words? They go to school every day. Do they go to school every day? She asks many questions. Does she ask many questions? They spend much money. Do they spend much money? You understand the lesson. Do you understand the lesson? They write many letters. Do they write many letters? He knows many English words. Does he know many English words? The boy likes coffee. Does the boy like coffee? The new student is smart. Does that new student look smart? English is an easy language. Is English an easy language? The men speak French. Do these men speak French? That's new rug. Is that a new rug? Those people like this country. Do those people like this country? The tall boy is an American. Is that tall boy an American? That student studies every day. Does that student study every day? The English book is interesting. Is that English book interesting? The baby cries very much. Does the baby cry very much? This seems very difficult. Does it seem very difficult? He writes letters every day. Does he write letters every day? They go there every year. Do they go there every year? It's an interesting story. Is that an interesting story? Now, change the following statements into negative. Number 1. I know that word. I don't know that word. He understands that lesson. He doesn't understand that lesson. They go to school every day. They don't go to school every day. She asks many questions. She doesn't ask many questions. The tall woman speaks very fast. The tall woman doesn't speak very fast. That boy works very hard. That boy doesn't work very hard. I study the lesson every day. I don't study lesson every day. Those people like coffee. Those people don't like coffee. We know many English words. We don't know many English words. They spend much money. They don't spend much money. The box is very heavy. The box isn't heavy. She studies every afternoon. She doesn't study every afternoon. The tall student is from Spain. The tall student isn't from Spain. He speaks that language. He doesn't speak that language. That's an old mask. That's not an old mask. Zan works very hard. Zan doesn't work very hard. The girls are in the front room. The girls aren't in the front room. The new students understand this. The new students don't understand this. That woman is an American. That woman isn't an American. Zafar flies to England every year. Zafar doesn't fly to England every year. The English book is on the table. The English book isn't on the table. I work in a big store. I don't work in a big store. The red pencils are in the drawer. The red pencils aren't in the drawer. We need money. We don't need money. She likes that class very much. She doesn't like that class very much.